everybody and welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, P.Farrugia, and I am in St. Thomas Bay, and this time we're going to explore the Munxar area. We're going to walk all the way around there, then we go in the Munxar area there. We can explore some points there, even go near the sea up there, and then we continue. Maybe we go to Il-Friefet as well. Depends how long it will take us to go there. So let's start this adventure. This is where we're going to start our trek. There's a lot of parking space here. One can park his car. Here is the maximum one can come with a car because there's a gate, and I think it's better we start the actual trek from here, from this gate, and it's better so cars does not go in here. And here we are on soil. From here you can start having a nice view of St. Thomas Bay and Marsascala. Well, today you will see my shadow a lot, sorry for that, but here many people come here for a swim. It's a beautiful place to come here, and we are just few meters, about 400 meters away from where you can park the car. Look how beautiful this area is. Let's go down here. I have some videos of here with my kayak as well. People come here to swim, and it's very nice. Look, it's like a very small bay here. And normally people coming here on the other side, you can find good restaurants here. People can hire kayaks, jet ski boats, everything from here. And it's easily for 10 minutes with the kayak to arrive to this point. And I will show you what's the beautiful spot, because there's the Munxar Arch there. So let's continue our way back. This is from the top where I was earlier, and we are walking up to the Pillbox. Thankfully today it's a beautiful day. The wind is very slight, it's very hot even with a t-shirt and this light fleece, but I don't complain. I prefer it like this, and I like summer. We are getting very closer to the Pillbox here, and then from here I can show you the Munxar Reef. There's a cave and a small beach down here. Towards the Pillbox. Many of these are converted into private summer residence. Many people come to swim here. Look this way, how beautiful it is. There's a small beach over there, and here starts the cliffs. This is the Pillbox I was talking to you about, and now turned to a summer residence, which I'm very jealous. Look at the views from here, and imagine these were placed in the best ways. Look, Pillbox from here, many people come to swim, and then there is this part here. I never saw it before in other places. Anybody has any idea? Could it be that they can shoot from here, or maybe put ammunition here? I don't know. So now let's go and explore the cave. Well, now we are going to explore this cave, or we try to, because I always saw it from the sea. And hope we don't slip down as well, because look, there have been like some rock falls here. And here we find this small cave. Very small. Like it was dug inside the cliff. It's not natural. Some places where people can put maybe their candles or stuff, but look at this view, guys. And this, like this from here, one can enjoy the beautiful Munxar window, and we are inside the cave still, with this beautiful sea. There's a small beach I told you about, the cliffs, And now we're going to go all the way back, and then we pass from here and hopefully go down near that Munxar window there. In just 500 meters we already, it was worth it, this trek. It's a very, very beautiful trek. Look, from here one can see this small beach area here, the Munxar arches there, and we have to continue on this side. It's a very worth it trek with beautiful views, and we only just started. Imagine. Look how beautiful there the pillboxes are in that cave. Today I don't have Paka with me, with his drone, so I have to go on the edge of the cliffs to try to get you the best views. Paka, I'm missing you, please note. And here, I hope you can see it, there's the Munxar arch, and even this area here is beautiful. But I have to find a way to go down here, and then from here there should be a path and we can go down here. It will be a little bit, I think, treacherous to go down, but we will find a way. Let's check if this pillbox is abandoned or not. We are here. Yes, it's open. Looks here where they used to put ammunition on. They are unique, Yeah. It's another nice pillbox, Somebody left his kettle here. There, look at this one. Could be a mount for a cannon. I think there will be people out there who will 100% know. And here's the view of all this area. It's amazing, But it's a pity that we find such beautiful places like this one abandoned like this, and maybe will get destroyed. It's a pity, These are part of our history, World War II history, I will try to get down to the water edge. I'm not sure if I can manage with the camera in here, but if I sit down maybe. Oh, another close call today. And here, I think now, look at how this area is, how to go down. If I see it's too dangerous, I will put the camera down. Going down here is a little bit treacherous, as I told you before. One have to exercise caution, because it's easily one can slip down. Remember, all this adventure is in very short distance. I think we are making progress. We are moving with the edge of the cliff here. People come to walk here and swim here. Mostly swim, they come in summer. I always see them with the kayak, but I never try to go down myself. But look how nice here it is. Even the crashing of the waves. Look here, it's like somebody drilled holes the side of the wall. We're here, who knows. Now have reached the far end of Munxar Point. It's beautiful, this area. And here, look where we are. If you look on this side, it's amazing. These cliffs, white cliffs here, and I will put a link up there with it. There's a very nice cave that one can go with his kayak. I'm not sure if you can see from here, but here there are a lot what looks like curts. Maybe I have to send a photo to our friend Megalith Hunter. She has a nice YouTube channel. We are continuing the trek on like this tongue of land on the edge of the cliff. The sight from here, as I told you, is amazing, and I'm amazed by those like curts going into the sea. But I'm not 100% because I'm not so good in history. But walking on these cliffs is amazing, yeah? I will remind you to watch my video of the caves here. It's very nice. I am finding these intriguing, these lines in the sea. They look like curts, and some of them intersect 90 degrees with each other. Look, especially those here, and they continue out, even up there. Here one can enjoy the beauty of these cliffs, and here in the sea. Let me give you to 60 degrees. Marsascala on that side, and some countryside as well. Now we continue. Maybe we reach Ħofra Kbira or Ħofra Żgħira, I don't know. Let's really check. Hope you are enjoying this trek as much as I'm doing. It's a very, very beautiful area. Quiet, relaxed, and it can be a walk for nearly everybody. Then, if you take this spot, one can go directly to where I parked the car instead of going around this area, but that will be good to go back. But don't miss that part because it's beautiful. From here, one can see how beautiful the cliffs are. Look how beautiful this area is. And I like visiting here when the sea is rough because I found it very relaxing. Take care when you stay in the edge of the cliff because here everywhere is very crumbling. It can easily go down. It's amazing, Although we are still about 3 meters away from the cliff's edge, from the vegetation grown here, doesn't look like it, but I'm only 3 meters away from the edge. Another beautiful spot from here, look at these cliffs. Here are those caves that I was telling you about. Some fishermen with its lutsu. But even the color of the sea is nice. Sometimes I come here and I can swim with the kayak here. But I don't think you can go down. But it's a little bit dangerous because of rockfall. But now let's continue on this side. Maybe we go to Il-Friefet. Hope the picture will be good because we are walking directly to the sun, and now the sun is getting lower. And I came all the way from here, and here it looks like a very old tower, like the one from the nights. And here I'm finding something which is a little bit weird for me, which is gunner P.Farrugia. And I am P.Farrugia, age 22. Maybe rest in peace. Now have reached Xorb l-Ghagin area, or as we know it as il-Ħofra Kbira, because it's like a W and there's an arch in between. It's a very beautiful spot. It's a very close walk from where I started, not far away, so you don't have to be a super trekker or an athlete to come here. And the view is amazing. Let's hope I get a better view from down there. Look at the view of the Ħofra Kbira. How nice it is and how sheltered it is today. It's a very beautiful spot. Pierre is very common, it's very popular in summer. It will be full of boats here because it's a very sheltered and beautiful location. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful vlog. The area here at Il-Friefet is amazing. Look, the sun is going down, so I have to hurry to the car, but it's not super far away and I have light as usual. Here is very common, as I told you before, with people with boats. They come here in winter and in summer. In summer you will find a lot more, but it's amazing stuff. Please like and subscribe. I remind you that I did the same trek with the kayak till here. It's very, very nice, and I will post them below. And until next time, bye bye, and always subscribe to my channel, please. Bye. I will enjoy the view a little bit more.